Okay, so we'll take a look at how you can add the shadow to any form of text. So what we can do, first we will create a new project, right? So for that, let's click create, then we'll pick image size for any social media type posts. Right now here I will go with the text and then add heading, right? So we will add something like something a day, right? So this is the text and I want to add shadow to this particular text, right? So I select everything, I then choose the size, something like this, right? Now what I can do is I can make use of variety of applications within this apps, right? Now you can use apps, alternatively you can also use this effects. So if we can choose between apps or effects, so if we choose effects, you can see the shadow option here, right? So we click shadow here and immediately you will notice there is some default shadow being added to this particular text, right? Direction is also listed. There is also a set of transparency. You can choose the type of shadow you want, like this hollow, splice, outline, neon, glitch, background, and so on, right? There is also shape based one, so we'll take a look at that part later. And then, like I said, apps that will let you do the same, like variety of similar these effects are covered in these apps as well, and it has its own set of effects, like this type graph has its specific curved text format and so on. So we can cover apps separately, but by default we add the text from text block, choose any heading subheading, then we choose effects, then we pick shadow, right? And then here we choose offset 50 plus minus based on how you wish to show things. Now let me increase the size to something like 100. You will now notice the effect clear, right? And click effects. So offset is 50, direction minus 45. There is also blur, can pick that. So blur would make it more like some sort of a leaderboard or those type of text. If you keep it 0, it will have better shadow. Then there is transparency. Currently we have 40, we can increase, decrease, right? So 40 seems to be ideal. Now when you are saving this, make sure that you save with setting of transparent background so that this shadow will be retained. So this is how you add shadow to text in Canva.